In this quick video, you'll learn how to open up your Chevy Suburban key fob so you can replace its internal battery at home. Replacing your battery yourself at home is very easy to do. You do not need to bring this thing to a dealership, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. You don't need any tools at all to get this done, but you will need one CR2450 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a couple of dollars. One quick note, I do have the 6-button version. There is a 5-button and a 4-button version of this curved key fob. It has the silver side and the kind of swoop here. Doesn't matter how many buttons you have on yours, they are all the same device, and the process to open them up is the same, and the battery is the same as well. So just follow along with me here. The first step is just to hold down the button on the left side of your device and pull out the internal key while you're holding the button. From here, you can see we have the keyhole, and then there is this opening. It's just the same size as our key. So if you can get a better view of that right here, you're just going to insert your key in there and kind of pry, and this back will come off very easily and very nicely like that. I'll show you very quickly one more time. Find that opening. There's actually the arrow pointing right to it. Put your key in, pry gently. Now pull off the back section of plastic, set that down for a moment, and now you can see there are these 2 large openings. Again, just with the very same internal key, you're going to push it down and just pry the battery up and out. Now you can dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2450 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign is facing up. So you'll just slide it under this large tab of plastic and then click it down into this smaller one. Once it's in there nicely sitting flat, all you need to do is just click the back section of plastic on there. Make sure it's nice and secure, and then slide your key back in there. With that, you are done. You've got a new battery in your key fob, and you are good to go. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comments, or just let me know by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for the devices from almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.